How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jennifer. For the new, thank you guys for tuning in. Guys, today's video I'll be talking about a little bit why I haven't done videos as before, you know, at least once a week, at least 2 times per week. We'll be talking about a little bit, so stay tuned for that.
Heart on fire, set my heart afire.
Guys, we don't know what the fuck's going on here, but we see like a guy talking. Anywho's, guys, so I told my little brother likes Mustangs. This is one of the modifications that I would totally do in a Mustang. The Ferrari taillights. Fucking love that shit. Alright, guys, before we get to the video, stop by to get gas, and this whole gas station is packed. This is like worse than Costco, and this is because the Valley Center gas station, the new one that they opened, is $3.59 the gas, so everybody's literally waiting for it. It's unbelievable. Crazy stuff. But it is cheaper, you know. I'm gonna back up right now. It is cheaper though, so if y'all want cheap gas, come here definitely. Come on.
You want to get down? Come on. Feet first. Feet first. Yay. Good job. Good job.
Where are you going? Ooh. You like a new car? Where are you going, this little guy? Whee! How you doing, fam? So the reason why I haven't been uploading video, guys, I've been fully on dad mode, husband mode, gym mode, you know, work mode. Usually my days off, you know, where my time to record and everything. And I have guys, I have 2 videos ready to be published as public and 4 to be done, so I am gonna be doing them. But you know, it's there's no more days off, but it is rewarding, you know, that's for sure. You know, seeing your kid, your son, you know, it is very rewarding, guys. 100%. I'm not gonna lie about it. I am gonna be uploading the video about how I thought I'm gonna ride a scooter, definitely. But yeah, guys, so stay tuned for the channel, guys. We are gonna be loading more videos. We got a lot of reviews going on. I have to edit 2 of them, but 2 of them are already done. So hopefully we can get this throughout this month of August. And for sure, guys, you know, bear with me. We are gonna be shooting those videos like hot, you know, at least twice a week. So definitely I'm gonna take maybe 1 day off of the gym and then just start recording and get them done. Or waking up early in the morning. We gotta start waking up early before work, you know. Anywho's, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the channel, guys. And like I always say, it's not just about the cam. Sometimes it's just family. But always stay sexy out there. Until next time.